Hi guys, I'm Karina and welcome to Get Healthy with Hauterfly along with our friends at Nestle. I'm going to show you how to make an amazing healthy smoothie. This delicious strawberry smoothie is packed with goodness of fruits along with yogurt and a nutritious punch of Nestle Slim Milk. So now take some fresh strawberries and cut it into 2 pieces. So now put all the strawberries into the blender. Now add some yogurt to add thickness to the smoothie. So after you've added the yogurt, add some Nestle A+ Slim Milk for the perfect amount of nutrition. So the best part about a smoothie is that you can add all the ingredients that you love, and I personally love chia seeds, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. Thing to remember about smoothies is you should ditch the sugar. Instead of sugar, just add a little bit of honey for sweetness. Once all the ingredients are mixed perfectly together, pour this in your mason jar and enjoy the drink. So besides having a smoothie from a mason jar all by itself, you can also make a smoothie bowl. So all you have to do is pour the smoothie in a bowl and top it off with any ingredient that you like. So I topped it off with strawberry, banana, and some unsweetened cocoa powder. So it's still super healthy and it tastes delicious. Okay guys, so that's it for this episode, and do try this recipe out for yourself at home. And stay tuned for more videos just like this on Hauterfly. Until next time, bye!